All right, so St. Louis Ponds is open April 1st through September 30th from 6 to 9 p.m. And from October 1st to March 31st, they're open 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. They now have an automated gate here at St. Louis Pond, so it really makes it easy to drive in year-round. Back in the day, before they had that, you had to park and walk in certain times of the year. So now they have better hours, better access. A couple things to know is there is a big gravel road coming in. There's a lot of potholes, so just kind of, you know, we'll do your thing, your preference. I take it easy and kind of weave in and out of them. And it can get really crowded here. So like try to come early in the morning or, you know, try to hit weekdays if possible. Everyone's out here. People wouldn't be here if there wasn't fish here. Almost makes me wish I came a little earlier, but I'm here. So had dad duty this morning, had a couple errands to run. Got out here, oh boy. I'm gonna definitely walk to the back. It's ugly out here. Post up right here. There's fish jumping everywhere out here. I'm gonna start with bottom and then switch to spinner if it gets too easy to catch. Let's get to work here. I'm gonna start with some chartreuse. My heart's racing, guys. They're just trophies though, like 15, 16 inches. I guess I should say 14 to 16, maybe 17, but haven't seen any of the big ones caught. I think only one guy walking out with one. Fish are surfacing. Top water. I like this spot because they have to run through this canal to get out of here. Body of water, cove to a canal. I have short leader on because I was fishing Walter Worth yesterday, catching them in like 6 or 8 inches off the bottom. Today might be different than that. Might be taking spinners a little better right now. Oh, there's a bite already. Yeah, for sure. There we go. I'm on. Really easy. There's everywhere. Little power bait right away. Just a regular little trophy. A nice little trophy. Nothing huge. I'm definitely going to catch a couple on bottom and then switch to spinner, I think. So that's a nice chunky fish. Nothing wrong with that guy. Oh, there's another hit here. Double fish on here. There's 2 right away. I'm going to switch to spinner and take my time a little bit. This is a little ridiculous. Oh, that's a fat trophy right there. It's a good fish. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a really nice one, guys. Oh, it's a gorgeous fish. Definitely bigger than the last. Look at that fight. Wow. Might keep one on bottom and switch to spinner because I really would like to be done early if I can. Get back home. This is really nice fish here, guys. On the bigger end of the nice fish. That's gorgeous, gorgeous fish right there, guys. That's a big dog. Way bigger. Way bigger. Got to measure that one up. Let's see, that guy is, he is 18¼ inches right there. Am I recording that whole thing? Yes, I am. Just waiting for a bite. Caught two within like 2 minutes of getting here. People had caught earlier because they put the fish in about 2.5 to 3 hours ago, so the bite was hot at the beginning. It kind of slowed down a little bit, but good chance they pick up one more time this evening. So stay tuned. Hopefully we get into some more fish. 118 and a half, I think it was, or whatever, and fat, and one about 15, 16. Little fella. Well, I guess I'll keep him because the bite hasn't been crazy, and that's not one that I need to. Oh, that's a decent fish. Yeah, I'll just get my first 5 and get out. I have like a really varying levels of fish here. I have a small, a medium, and a big. Got him. Got him. I don't think he's very big, but I got him. Short leader's working pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna take one pull out. Just fish this one pull and a spinner. So I ran into my buddy James here. He actually was on the other side of the pond, and he found my Cast King orange pliers that I had lost last time I was out here. Came walking out to my spot last time, got there, was like, what happened to my other set of pliers? Well, he found them, so thank you, man. And we got to chat for a little bit. That was cool. So cool guy, good guy. Really big dog right there, and a couple nice trophies. I'll be right back out here in the morning, so we'll see you in the morning. Here at St. Louis, like I said, in the morning. All right, a lot of people here, so we're gonna get packed up and head out there. Okay, I'm gonna start with yellow garlic. Yep. Oh, here we go. Getting hit. Just trying to set up my other pole. Letting it really eat it up. Got him. All right, guys, today the goal is to get Marcella on a fish that's above 2 pounds. It would be her PB. And I'm just trying to catch as many nice fish as possible. Whatever I can get. This is not bad.
What? Okay, hold on.
Just a regular trophy, but that's all right.
You help doing what, honey?
And you know what? I think I'll be able to handle this if you want to help her too. Brain's gonna help me net this guy. That didn't take long at all. Nice. Oh, almost.
He saw it like,
He took.
I'm out.
They're good fighting fish.
Oh yeah, they fight good.
And that one's on the smaller side, but it still fought really well. Yeah. Thank you, brother.
Yep.
Thank you. I wasn't out very far either. Oh, fish number 1. Let's go. Just like that. Oh, let's go. That's a fun way to start.
You on? He's not. We're getting on.
Nice. Marcella got her first bite. Get a nice hit. Oh, he's on. I'm gonna let him munch a minute. Let him eat and swallow that thing. Because these aren't fish you want to throw back necessarily. Got him. Oh, he feels a lot better. Oh no, he's stuck in some weeds maybe. You know when they drag weeds around, you're like, holy cow. And I got him here. I can put him up on this ledge. Just another trophy. Just another trophy. It's not like one of the hybrid ones I like to call the. Oh yeah, not bad. He's about the same as the last one, maybe a little smaller. There's 3 and 4 pounders in here though, guys, so we got to keep our A game on and see if we can get one of those. Caught one yesterday. I'm enjoying the fight, that's for sure. Oh, he doesn't want to come in yet. Go figure. Oh, another good one. There's another hit. There he is. He's still dinking, or he's there. Just not swimming me, but I'll wait till he really swallows it. Got him. Just popped off. All right, we're set up good. Gonna wait for some more hits here. Bite here. I'm a line watcher and that line is moving. Yep. Oh no. No. Dang it. Oh my gosh, there it goes. All right, they're getting a bite. Hey, someone take this one. Frank, come take this one. This one's going and I'm going. That one's going right there and I'm getting a hit on this, so. All right, three of them. Yeah, go help her. We'll wait. We'll let it hook itself. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one. I'm gonna come. Okay, I'm coming. We're gonna let the other one swallow the hook. Oh, he popped. Hey, Marcella, come grab this one because there's 2 of them here. It should be on there. Unless it spit the hook. No, it's there. Think he. Oh, he popped off. Yep. So they're nibbling right now is what it looks like. All right. Thank you. It's all right. They're just kind of dinking. That's exciting. Oh, there it goes. Right in front of her. The pole right in front of her. Going. Okay. Look at this. All right, the bite might be finally going here, guys. I caught a couple right away, but then it really slowed. Just let him eat, I would say.
Don't swallow it. Don't swallow it.
Yeah. Yeah, she's got him. Let's go. She got him. Oh. Oh no.
Okay.
That was a great bite. He jumped. Oh, this one.
Come on, Saw.
Hey, it's not you. It's just the fish right now.
Wait for it. Wait for him to swallow it.
Yeah, she did. She waited a while. That one's dink, dink, dink. Yeah, she waited till that thing was bent, bent over, dude. What a great bite. Just all of a sudden, like 4 or 5 bites in a row. Oh, other one. Oh no, the other one's up. Sorry. Oh, he's still tinking. She's doing the right thing, letting him really eat it. Swallow that bait.
You won't get hurt for long with it, Marcella.
Shoot, no, I mean.
She knows her game.
Oh, yeah, I can tell.
Set him up, Marcella.
Set him up. Yep.
Set him up and knock him down. Marcella. Kill him.
That's 4 or 5 fish in a row that just kind of came up and like didn't commit, kind of pecked at it, maybe took a little chomp.
He's gonna F run and find out, right, Marcella?
There he goes. Yes. There, that's a good fish. Do you want him walk him over here or whatever you want?
Get him, Marcella.
Yeah, yeah. There you go. Here, and if you need room, I'll move this one out of the way. He's a solid trophy. Solid trophy.
Get him?
Yep, he's coming.
Get him, girl. There you go.
There we go.
Up and down, remember, up. There you go.
Nice.
Down. Up. Keep him. Correct him. Correct him. You know,
Nice.
Walk back. Walk back.
Oh, he's fighting.
Walk back. Keep walking backwards.
Here, I got it. Let's see. I think it's good. Yeah, I think a little weeds. Let me get the weeds off there. There we go. There we go. It's a good fish.
Get him, Marcella.
That's solid. They're gonna only get bigger from there, but that's a great fight. Good fish. What do you think? That's good. That's why you wake up early in the morning and get out here for bites like that. Had the potential for more fish, but we have 3 so far, and good solid bite. We wait, 10-15 minutes and get a big school of them coming in, and yeah, hoping to capitalize on it. Let them eat. Got him.
You on?
Yep, got him for sure. There we go. There's finally another one. Number 3. Maybe they're schooling in here now.
That sounds good.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's about. They're all about the same. Oh, good fight. Good fight. Good fight.
Is your brown or garlic or not?
That one was on. That was on chartreuse. Just I think with garlic sauce. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. There we go. There's number 3 for me. 4 in total.
Are you wiggling your toes?
Oh my God, I missed another one, dude. Got him. Yeah, fight him. He's gonna be a fun one to fight. He feels good. He's there. He's gonna help me with this one. Cool. I'll get this out of your way.
Hold on.
She's good. I'm gonna move this just right here. Oh, it's a good fighter, isn't it? Hopefully it's a little bigger than the last. We'll see.
There he is.
And then if you get him just over that log, you'll be set, I think.
You got a fight there, huh?
Yeah. My line is really kind of light, but you should be all right. Nice.
Back him up, man.
Nice. Oh yeah, he's there. He there.
You told me to take my shoes off, but now I can't. Yeah.
Oh.
You told me to take my shoes off.
Oh. He there. Yeah. Nice fight. Nice job. Well, maybe we slide a few down here, huh?
Let's see what happens.
I'm thinking this little, yeah, we'll see what happens. Oh no. Oh.
At the end.
Oh, the hook is, oh gosh.
Stop, stop. Don't move.
Ooh. Ooh. Whew. That was scary.
Not too much. You still there?
Give it to him.
You there or not?
Yeah, he's there. Oh, he might have came off right then and there.
Yeah, he did.
I heard that one. I heard that one. Frank's getting hit. The way they've been biting has been funny, like just nibbling on it. So we'll see if we can get this one connected here.
Come on.
He's doing the right thing. He's letting it just eat. He's letting it eat. Yeah, he's there, huh?
Come on now.
Yeah, he is. He's eating, he's eating.
But he won't take it though. You see, he's just.
We're waiting.
A little bit tight.
We're waiting for him to take it. God, we hope the bite just, that's a couple bites within 5 minutes now. Hopefully this bite just gets crazy here for the next 20, 30 minutes. Got him. He got him. Frank got him.
Hurry up. No, we're not.
Frank got him.
Okay, new bait.
What bait was that?
That freaking weird corn stuff.
Just the corn yellow?
No, this weird corn stuff.
Oh, okay.
No, he's on. Get him.
Oh, another. Oh, you heard the other bell? Oh, was that in your pocket? Oh, I was in your pocket. Oh, okay. Whew.
There you go. He's on too.
Nice.
Go.
Nice. Good job.
I got back. I got back.
Nice. Nice, nice. We got him. Got him. Yeah, we're back on the board.
There we go.
Nice job. That's 7 fish, guys. That's awesome. Ooh. Oh, he is nice again. You got him. You got him. You got him. You got him. Yes. Yes. I love that. That's the effort I bring right there. You have to. Yeah. Yes. Dude, that's awesome. Really nice trophy trout. There's 8 of them there. Want to thank Frank and Marcella for coming out. All right, we're out of here before the rain hits. It's midweek, so it's rare for me to be able to get out midweek, but nonetheless, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.